Welcome class 11 students. Students, in the previous video I have solved exercise 3.3 sum number 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have solved up to 4, but solving from 4, 5, we need to know some identities. In this class I will discuss some identities, okay, and we'll prove that identities. First of all, AB, any two angle in language of trigonometry, A plus B, A minus B, these are called compound angle. These are called compound angle. And in the class 10 we have learned sine A, sine B in the ratio form. Now here we will learn the sine identities of sine A plus B and sine A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B. Will prove all the identities, then we'll start the exercise 3.3. So first in this class, the first identity which I am going to prove, that is if A and B are two acute angle, then sine of A plus B is a compound angle, that is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B, and cos of A plus B cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay, so students, first we will prove the first identity, then second identity. Okay, when A and B, must remember if A and B are the acute angles, let a ray OX, okay, and making an angle A, that is Y, this angle is A, and another angle Z, that is angle B. This angle ZOY equal to B and XOY equal to A. Okay, so the total angle is A plus B. Now from a point on the line OZ, that point I am giving the name P, drawing to perpendicular on OX and OY, that is P, Q and PR. PQ and PR are the giving the name M. Okay, sorry, PM. PQ and PM are the perpendicular. PQ is perpendicular on OX and PM is the perpendicular on OY. Okay, these are the perpendicular. Okay, now from point M again I am drawing two perpendicular on OX and I am giving the point name, that is N, and that is on PQ, that is R. Okay, again I am discussing XOY, that is angle A, YOZ, that is angle B, from point P on N 90 degree, PQ, that angle 90 degree, MN, that angle 90 degree, and this angle also 90 degree. Okay, now one thing student, it is clear, these two angles are 90 degree. It shows that RN parallel to QN, and if I say that OM is the intersector, OM is the intersector, okay, RM parallel to QM and OM is the intersector, then angle RMO, this angle equal to MON, this should be equal. Why? Because these two angle parallel this intersector, then this angle are the alternate angle, so they must be equal as they are parallel. and if this angle is A, this must be A. Okay. Next thing, in triangle PRM, angle R is 90 degree. Angle R is 90 degree, and therefore angle RPM plus angle PMR equal to 90 degree. Triangle PRM, it is 90 degree. Sum of these two angles must be 90 degree. I have written this line only. Okay. Next, that total angle, this angle is 90 degree, another should be at 90 degree. Therefore, this angle is sum of two first of all, RMO plus PMR. This is also 90 degree, because from P we have drawn a perpendicular to OY. Now from these two relation, if you subtract, so this should remove RPM equal to RMO. This is also vanished. RPM, this angle equal to RMO. RMO in the previous line I get RMO equal to A. So this angle RPM also be A. Okay. This is our foundation for proving this identities. Okay. Now students, in triangle, now I am writing sine of A plus B. Sine ratio. If I consider this triangle POQ, that is PQ by OQ this is the acute angle, then opposite side of acute angle, that is perpendicular, and this is 90 degree, so this is hypotenuse, sorry, that will be OP. Okay, sine perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, now PQ is divided in two parts, PR and RQ. PR plus RQ by OP. Now separate it. PR by OP plus RQ equal to MN by OP. So PR by OP equal to MN by OP. Now PR by OP, I am writing this PR into PM by OP. Just PM remove. Okay, that's why MN by OM into OM by OP. Just include OM. Now PR by PM, PR by PM. If I take this angle, that is base and that is hypotenuse, opposite angle of opposite sides of R, that is 90 degree. So that is cos A. PM by OP, PM by OP, that is angle B, that is 90 degree. So PM this, that is, if this I have taken that angle B, this will be perpendicular by hypotenuse of angle B, so that is sine B. Again MN by OM, take that angle O, that is perpendicular, sorry student, MN, this angle that is perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is also sine A, into OM by OP. Take this angle OM by OP, base by hypotenuse is OP is the hypotenuse, so base by hypotenuse, so that is sine cos B. Just write this in first, that is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. This is the first identity I have proved. Sin A into sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay. Now regarding this figure and also the condition, we can prove, we can evaluate the identities of cos A plus B. We will solve this one. How to calculate the cos AB. Okay. Now cos AB means cos A plus B, that is ZOX. Now consider about the triangle POQ. That's why in that angle A plus B means POQ. So that cos formula base by hypotenuse. That's why OQ by OP. That is 90 degree. Opposite side is the hypotenuse. This one is base. Now OQ means ON by QN. ON by QN by OP. Now separate it by part. That is ON by OP minus QN by OP. Now ON just include ON. Okay, and in this part as QN equal to RN, just include here PM into PM. Now ON by ON. If you take that angle, that is cos A ON by ON, base by hypotenuse. This one is 90 degree into OM by OM by OP. This one is taken, that is 90 degree, that is cos B minus PM RM by PM, RM by PM. That is hypotenuse. It is hypotenuse. That angle is A. So that will be perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is sin A, and PM by OP. Taking this angle B, PM is perpendicular, OP is hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse in triangle POM or MOP. That is also sin B. So cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B into cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay students, in this video we have proved two identities, cos A plus B and sin A minus B. Using these identities we will solve the question of exercise 3.3, and these identities, it is a very much important. This will help you in entire trigonometry. Okay, so student, practice it in your home, and the next video I will discuss the cos A plus B and sin A minus B and cos A minus B. Thank you.